Hello everyone, welcome back to Positive Energy. In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix a problem where a PDF file opens minimized and refuses to maximize. Sometimes when you open a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Reader, the file opens minimized. When you click the icon on the bottom of the screen, the window still does not maximize. Even if you right-click the icon and select Maximize, the file still will not open normally. Let's fix it. First, hover over the dot circle. Second step, right-click on the dot circle and a double arrow will appear. Third step, click the double arrow and the window expanded to normal. And that's it. The PDF window should now open normally again. That was frustrating because the file looked stuck and nothing seemed to work. But this simple trick fixed the problem instantly. I hope this helps someone else in the future who is facing the same issue. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Positive Energy for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.